Speaking of Apple's recent success, we're talking about 193.82 billion in cash on hand. That's a lot of cash, Will. I don't know where you put that cash. Is that cash just a number inside of a? Is that just a digital representation, or does that cash have to be backed up by gold? I'm just joking, by the way. That's what a lot of people say.
Some sort of physical
They
form,
want their cash backed up in gold. No, I doubt that this actually is. Apple disclosed it now has 193.817 billion in cash, up from the second quarter. This is down actually from Apple's peak. They've of course had to deal with this pandemic like everybody else, and a company's cash pile is not necessarily indicative of how successful they are at any given moment. Apple has always just held on to more cash than a lot of other companies at the same scale. Well, there's no companies at the same scale, but you know what I'm saying, in the similar range. Apple's been investing in new services like Apple TV Plus. All the money they had to spend on those original TV shows and movies, which is rumored to be quite a bit. It spent $13.8 billion in research and development over the last 9 months as well. This is according to their earnings report. And then they've had the stores shut down too, right? The physical Apple stores, which apparently are hurting sales. You have to believe those things were pushing some serious sales because they always had the high-profile real estate. And I remember hearing a while back that in many cases when they were positioned in a mall, they were pushing more revenue than any other store in the mall. Those things were popular, and those have been not operational for the time being for the recent couple of months or whatever it is because of the pandemic, though they're opening back up now. I think China's stores are opening back up, and we'll see what happens elsewhere.